Hello guys, so welcome to another leg workout. So now we're gonna start off with one warm-up set of pendulum squat. I generally perform 5 to 6 reps and then I do one working set of pendulum squats. And I've been training 180 kilos until failure. So here I did close to 4 reps and I failed after completing the fourth rep. The movement is very controlled. I control the weight, I go deep and then I pull myself up. And here you can see I failed in this fourth rep. And moving on next, I do the leg extensions. I make sure my back placement is at the extreme end so that I get maximum stretch in my quads. So this will really help me build a good quad mind muscle connection. Moving on, I perform one set of heavy RDLs. So this is dumbbell RDL and I have 40 kilos each in my hand. I make sure the form is perfect. I don't bend my knees and finishing it off with calf raises. I do 2 sets of same weight. I do as many reps as possible and I go close to failure. So yeah, thank you.